We should probably keep these lights off. All right, second floor or main floor. So it leaks from the bathroom up above here onto the basement. It's completely flooded. I don't know how long. It couldn't have been. I know, it couldn't have been. Oh my God. So this is from. Oh my gosh.
I mean, you were just down here.
I know. And well, it happened on the upstairs.
But you would have heard this water if
I
you
know.
were sitting down here.
I know. But I don't know when the pipe burst upstairs. What's the problem?
This ripped off because it
No,
got
that's all
so
right.
wet.
Thanks.
Took it out. I'm gonna take some stuff out and dry it off.
Okay. Thanks for your help. So here's where it started. It was completely hot. Turned off the hot water here and it stopped. So it had to have been in this pipe, but this is. So it went from here. Oh my gosh. That was the issue. Look at, there's still water. It was coming out of this one. So something must have happened in here. Something failed. Completely flooded. Look at this towel. These other towels. Oh my gosh. There's water everywhere. Water everywhere.
Dad,
So we're gonna need.
is that house flood?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Well, it looks like it's raining in here. It's still dripping. So there's gonna be mold.
I have to put. Oh my God!
Yeah.
My mom said I have to put this.
Just
on.
throw it on the ground.
Oh wait.
Ah, this stinks.
Right. Be my nose.
We gotta push all this water.
This is horrible.
Yeah, it's Merry Christmas.
Not really a good Christmas. Have a house flood. Those my boots.
Yeah,
Why do you do it? Why are they down here?
because they were wet and I put them down here by the floor drain to dry.
Ah!
But now I guess it doesn't matter.